So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to go to the Remote tab. Make sure that you have Allow Remote Assistant Connections to this computer ticked. You want to tick this box and then click on OK. See if that works. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in Services. Click on it. Once you're on this, we're going to scroll down to Remote Desktop. Scroll down until we find Remote Desktop. You want to find Remote Desktop Configuration, Remote Desktop Services, and Remote Desktop Services User Mode Port Redirector. Double click on the first one, Configuration. Make sure you have the startup type on Automatic and then click on Start, which will then make the server status running, and then click on OK. Repeat this for the other two. Double click on Remote Desktop Services, Automatic, click on Start, and then click on OK. For the last one under it, Automatic, Start, which will make it running, and then click on OK. See if that works. For the next method, you want to confirm that the correct PC name or IP address is being used. Make sure that it's correct. For the next method, you want to disable any VPNs or any third-party firewalls that you may be using. For the next method, make sure that the target PC is powered on and it's not sleeping. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it and then click on check for updates. Make sure that both computers are up to date. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Allow an Apple feature through Windows Defender Firewall. You want to click on Change Settings, which will now show you all of this. You want to find Remote Desktop, scroll down. You want to tick Remote Desktop, and then click on OK. Repeat that for both computers. For the last method, restart both computers, and then try again.